If you have to defend yourself, oh man, it is so stressful. Attacks can be intense, stress sky high, and in the heat of the moment, unfortunately, some people, they can go too far. And that's not just stress, that's also because things are moving so fast. So what does that end up being? That ends up being one shot too many, one punch too many, and maybe now it's not self-defense anymore. Now, we don't have to like it, but here's the plain awful truth. That is just another flavor of someone losing their shit. They weren't prepared. They did not handle the situation well. They lost control. But what can you do? Here are three things that you can do, three tools. Now, before we do get into this, let me frame this whole thing. Today, what we're talking about is something called use of force. The police made it very cool methodology. Even comes with a color-coded pictogram. It is the perfect system that nobody ever follows. Cool beans. You know what? It's too complicated. But the middle bit is, not too bad. What does this say? It says, assess the situation, make a plan, act on that plan, and that plan is going to be outdated in about 2 seconds. So immediately reassess the situation, make a new plan, and act on that new plan. And then repeat. Assess, plan, act. Keep on going. Pretty easy? Not really. Even the best cops fail when it comes to this. They end up running out of options, and now maybe what you got looks like police brutality. But what if we dummy it down? This is what you do. Number one, you're going to ask yourself, what's important now? What's important now? And that right there is the talk to me like I'm 8 version of assess, plan, act. Stupidly simple, just my speed, but it works in high stress. And here you got to be ready to pivot. Bodies and blows are moving at Mach 7, so keep asking yourself, what's important now? Every 2 seconds. Even 2 seconds can be a lifetime in a fight, so keep asking yourself that. What's important now? Sidebar, when you are choosing what force is right now, keep this in mind. Reasonable force is not identical force. If they are dangerous, maybe bigger than you, whatever, maybe you need to pick up something in order to stay safe. So that's a weapon. Go ahead, pick it up, do it. Do what you need to do. And sometimes what's important right now isn't running away the first chance you get. Sometimes what's important now is taking a moment longer to make sure that they can't get up to chase you. Number 2, stay calm. That's pretty important right now. Have that conversation with yourself. Things that you can tell yourself. Breathe. Don't freak out. Move. Anger and fear are your enemies here. Emotions, they're going to hijack your brain, and now you've lost before you begin. Stow that shit. Nobody cares how you feel right now. Your job right now is to do what you need to do, not what your pride or your anger or your triggers are telling you what you need to do. Like all that stuff is not helpful. So can you leave? Can you calm the situation down? And notice I didn't say, can you win? I didn't say, can you have the last word? The name of the game here is get safe, not be right. So stay calm so you can think about what's important over the next 2 seconds. Now, before we get to number 3, if you like content like this, please like, share, save, follow me, or I don't know, you might not see me again. Okay, let's do number 3. Be strategic. Like if they want your stuff, give them your stuff. If they want you, fight like it's Black Friday and there's only one Xbox left. Now here's a pro tip. Work on your values, not likes or dislikes. What are your boundaries? What would you die for? What would you give up your job for? And not what's important just when you feel like it. Like a boundary, a true boundary is something you will protect even when it's inconvenient. What would you fight tooth and nail for? Think of it like this. How could you possibly decide what's important in a high stress environment if you don't already know deep down inside what's important? So here we go. 3 things. Keep asking yourself what's important now, stay calm, and be strategic. Make sense? Try that. Let me know what you think.